How to fix your account cannot be created at this time Apple ID. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix your account cannot be created at this time Apple ID. So let's get started. First thing that you need to do is simply head over to settings and then you gotta make sure that you have not turned on VPN. So if you have turned on any VPN, simply turn it off and retry. If the issue is still there, that you can go to the browser and type in Apple ID. Once you do so, you gotta simply head over to this one over here, that is appleid.apple.com. Click on it and you'll be redirected to My Apple ID interface. So once you're on the interface, you'll be able to see a couple of options. So you gotta click on this arrow over here at the top right. And after that, you gotta click on Create Your Apple Account. So once you click on Create Your Apple Account, so you gotta make sure that if you type in a new password, don't use the older password, type in a new password and make sure that you are not using your name, your birth date, or any of the information that you have already filled in your password. And once you do so, your account will be created and you will not have any issues. So that is basically how you can fix your account cannot be created at this time Apple ID. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.